What the fuck? What the... Come here. Listen to this. The jerk man a jerk. But I know me. So where my jerk? You know it.
Do you recall? Not long ago.
You don't even understand yourself. You were saying before that rude connection.
Interruption, not connection.
So, fuck you mean say me no miss you? I got that. Me no know where you get that from.
No, oh, alright. Since
Fuck
I
you
get
mean
it,
say me no miss you? When the pussy on a something nah miss you. See them me get that. Me know the song, me know the tune. Dexter Daps. Me know the tune, my there. You see me?
welcome people, Lee Futuristic here alongside.
You don't know your boy Iconic God. You see me?
Whoa. Alright, so today we have to finish. We have some lyrics here on a piece of paper. We have theme lyrics over here, so me I go finish theme lyrics, him I go finish my lyrics.
Your brother ain't gonna get none of my tune them.
Him definitely I'll get the whole of my tune them, cause if you don't know them song, you're not even human being, I swear to you.
Pardon?
So rock, paper, scissors, who will go first? Ready? To the camera. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Boom.
You know say
You go first.
you know say if you look on it good in a way, like squinch up your eyes so, it kinda look more like a scissors, and scissors cut paper.
Come
So you pick who go first?
You.
Me I go first? Alright, so number
I
one.
get none of them your dog.
Stop look on the thing and a time. Bro God. Alright, number one. Me nah mad. Nah mad over no girl. Like, alright, cool like easy. One that me do.
As a boy like me not mad. No. Me not mad over no girl.
Two.
Second.
In the bad mind boy head there. Me a chop a bomb. Yeah, brother, you give a beer in dog. Alright, two that me do. Brother, this easy dog.
One again.
Get ready.
One again.
And everybody pour my drink. And everybody buy my and roll it. Umbokla yalas.
Next one.
Girls like you. Well, guys like me. Them
lyrics they not count,
me don't know the lyrics. Alright, girls like you, go, guys like me. Me know Cardi B
thing
part.
literally they right there so.
Me don't know how to say that part there.
Roll out with guys like me.
But when I need a girl like you.
Him not get that one day. Him know
Me
the
get that
song,
one day. Me
him
know
know the song, but you don't know the lyrics. You not get that one day. Boom. Next one.
Me get half mark then.
That no count.
For know the song.
That no count.
Alright, cool. Cool no? So
Next
three
song.
that me did then.
Mm.
All of me girl them love me. All of the girl them love me. One will say I'm ugly. First of all, let me saw the so you lose.
So
fine.
why me go say you go catch it?
But that's a part of the lyrics.
That's not a part of the game.
What is the crossword?
That not in it.
Alright. Fair me just buck a girl. Easy 1, 2, 3. For me just a girl me get the food.
Get that one there. Yeah, get it.
Vendetta. Let's move. Blam them.
Next one.
Kill, torture,
Next
discharge.
one.
Alright.
I know the last of them.
Brother, I know the whole of them, my dog.
What is?
I know I can treat you. Me know that one here. Chainsmokers. No. Justin Timberlake. I know I can treat. I know I can treat you better than
Justin
he can.
Timberlake.
Who that?
That.
I Justin Timberlake. Brother.
I know Justin.
Oh.
I don't remember me.
Bomba. So you know say I know Justin
The
Timberlake.
last one.
My God, I don't know bad like me.
No.
Brother, you can't just put my God and expect me to know this. My God coming at everything. My God, nah, me suffer. My God, nah,
Not
me.
that. Next one.
5 minutes later.
God.
No.
What kind of laugh that, dog? Lex did talk to you about this.
That's serious? I don't even see.
Me no know. What?
That's not the pen paper.
What?
That's not the pen paper.
1, 2, 3, 4,
My
5,
God.
6, 7.
You have 10 seconds. You have 10 seconds. here.
Brother, me no know that my God, yeah. God damn. My God. Me give up.
You give him too easy, fam. My God.
My God.
My God. It's
Awesome. You should have put the is, dog. My God is. Them
It
time
must
that-
say is.
Me
Me
neither
never
get
get
it.
it.
Yeah, me I get it, but at least it narrow out from the oh my God and the my God now nah, me suffer. My God.
You would
At
have
least
get
it narrow out to that, dog. We
would
can't
have
put my God that wild.
You would have get it.
Alright, so see them get 2 wrong out of 8. So how much percentage is that? 52?
Pardon?
So your time now. You know, so you not get nothing out of that, dog. Swear to you. You get the whole of them. Number 1. Number 1.
We can't start from the
Number 1. Read it out, me them here.
Girl, you're my angel. Girl, you're my angel.
Scoop, 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 scoop. You catch it. One that here.
Fuck you mean, man, I miss you. Fuck you mean, man. Next one up.
Sing it.
Fuck you mean, man, I miss you. When you, yeah.
I know you don't sing no.
When you pussy, you make me something, nah, 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 nah.
Nah, you don't get that one, dog.
Me get it.
You don't get that. You don't say the words, them. Go on again.
Fuck you mean, man, I miss you.
Hear him sound.
Alright, boom. Yeah, my one see me.
Read it, madam, here.
When the tour bus drop off and I like that off and I'm a mere motel again.
Scoop, scoop, scoop. You know big artist.
Full and all the fans gone home. I'm glad that you're more than a
Him
friend.
know big artist.
My love is like
Cool, huh? Cool, huh? Cool, huh? Big up to the
two.
gang himself.
Suppose him see we and Shell we bum I don't know this now. Me, this not in my category.
Say it again, madam here.
Suppose him see we and Shell we.
That make only person sad. Come in, huh?
Come here.
Get time.
Come here. This makes sense? Suppose him see we and Shell we. Talk to me.
All of the
I'm
wild
here,
side
so.
government know what me a talk about. Wild side, they for know we no love, man, brother.
Suppose him see we and shell with same of a band.
You know who that, don't?
Wild side.
Wild side government?
Massacre.
Bumbuckler.
I
That's a
don't know.
genocide. I don't need a fourth Jenna.
Stop make me look like he that.
How you want make yourself look like you that? Suppose him see we and shell we. You have 5 seconds.
Me give you 10.
4 3 2
Come here, no. Talk to
One.
me, no.
You like to make a phone call, sir?
Not connected.
Suppose him see we and shell we. Same of a one strap I use, but it ain't cause me a real bad man. So the girls love me. You see, know the song? But I'm missing it here.
But me get it.
You didn't get it. Get the 2.
These hoes couldn't test me, even if their name was Pop Quiz. Now, let me say something, y'all. I don't listen chap.
This is not a trap, this is a hip hop.
I don't listen hip that I hop. So, this ain't my style.
Alright, let me tell you who.
These hoes can test me. Man, I know the song, I know it, man.
No,
Is a female sing it?
a female part that.
Them no know. They're
too fast.
The girl with your shoulder right there.
Yes.
The girl
And me know who say you talk about.
with the money. These hoes need fit me.
I know say it go.
Motherfucking wanna. Hey. Fuck me get it.
I not eat that.
I'm gonna get it.
I not eat that. These hoes could test me even if the name was Pop Quiz.
I don't know that.
Nicki Minaj. Real niggas only. Bad bitches only. Big bitches only. But they know song that? Him no know only. Him first.
Real last name gave a fuck about nigga pussy himself. I know the song.
I not eat that.
I know the song.
I not eat that. The one where y'all sing is real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. But the five down, bring his ass,
I don't know
this. Stripes on his face, solid, figure. This are the remix. Real ass nigga, give a fuck about a bitch. It is what it is. And ain't no hot girl some of that? I need to have that song up on my phone, I'm gonna
The jerk man a jerk, the jerk man a jerk, but I not meat. What the fuck? What the? Come here. Listen to this. The jerk man a jerk, but I not meat. So where my jerk?
Gotcha. Where my jerk?
Where my jerk?
Gotcha.
The jerk.
The jerk man a jerk, but I not meat. Hee hee. Girl your pum pum, awfully. Ooh.
This him sing this?
Yeah.
The jerk man a jerk, but I not meat.
And every man want a piece. And when you wine, me feel it eat. Every man a man to blood cleat beer.
Ago. Do you recall not long ago? Brother, how you get them words up? Do you recall not long ago? Do you recall not long ago? Yes,
Man, I look
left
back
off
at the
some of
page.
Me, I wonder if him left off some of the words or something drop off somewhere.
Come now.
Me not see. Oh, me not know it.
Do you recall? Not long ago.
You don't even know the song yourself.
Me know that part there. Bro, God.
When
You know that song there?
Nope.
Do you recall? Not long ago. First on the sidewalk. So no.
Oh!
No.
Would it too well?
When upon it all, in our young and young. No.
Fuck up.
I'm so much I get to that. Fucking idiot.
Me get this.
If you get You're My Angel,
Mm-hmm.
and him get,
This
you ain't get that.
don't teach.
You ain't get fucking miss or what me miss, you ain't get the next one.
Me get it.
You get it.
Miss.
Yes,
Well,
miss you. No something that goes on.
me get it.
You get it ish.
Ah,
But me that big for my half.
you get it.
Give me-
Not yet now.
Alright, so 8.5 me get. 6.5.
So 1,
Half. 2.5.
3.
No,
These hoes, me get this door.
brother.
These hoes, something and then I get that
You
one.
didn't get this, you don't know the song.
These hoes gonna test me.
On the sides.
Alright,
Yo,
2.5. Real. Me
Yo.
get. Me not get that one.
yo, the
This,
comment below, I tell me if the brother and remind you a little baby.
Me get 2.5. But
Yo, sing indeed. Sing indeed.
what is that?
Yes, indeed.
What is that?
The dash is dizzy, the schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my girlfriend a goodie.
I don't know that. Ding.
Oh, buckler.
So me get 2.5. But me on that no, not una him.
Him get 2.5. Him no know real ass nigga give a fuck but a
Me
bit.
did-
Oh, you know know
I
that?
did lock the contract between me and you know when lock the door.
Sorry.
Some don't know how you enter.
Sorry.
So as we were saying before that rude connection.
Interruption, not connection.
So fuck you mean say me no miss you. I got that. Me no know where me
Sing
get
it
that.
now, alright. Since
Fuck
I
you
get
mean
it,
say me no miss you. When the pussy on a something miss you. See that me get that. Me know the song, me know the tune. Dexter Daps. I know the tune, my there. You see me? Anyways.
Oh, fuck.
Anyways. One next time.
Dog, you never play with the red dog, I swear.
One I go come again. I may go in. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, spam up the comment section with Team Iconic. You don't know.
The Team Iconic.